Manipur Chief Minister N. Birena ngasi chamaga kuntra mathoi suba Durand Cup ki trophy sing Durand Cup President's Cup amadi Simla Trophy Maikhum Hangkhre. Tournament asi Kolkata, Guwahati amadi Imphal da lakliba August 13 tagi September 19 fauba team kunna saruk yaduna sanagadabani. Kono mamangda leiba City Convention Center da Pangthokkadouriba Trophy sing Maikhum Hangdokpagi thoramadada Youth Affairs and Sport ki Minister Govindas Konthauzam, Chief of Staff Eastern Command amadi Durand Organizing Committee ki Chairman Lieutenant General KK Repsol, General Officer Commanding in Chief HQ 101 Area Eastern Command Lieutenant General Tumul Verma, Major General IGAR South Rajan Sarawat, Manipur ki Chief Secretary Rajesh Kumar, Lenga ki amadi Army ki official singsu sarukyaki. Thoramadu da Chief Minister N. Biren Hai, Yamna historic oiragadaba ahanba oina Manipur da Asia gi khwaidagi liraba amadi Malem gi khwaidagi ahum suba oina liraba football tournament asi pangthoklagani. Khanbada aduki matik nungaiba fawi. Ngasigi mikubasida adungai gi mahaki service tawringaida Durand Cup ki winner oikibagi harauba mikub adu nahongna naningsingla halli haiki. Pangthokkadouriba Durand Cup asida sana babu nungsibiba kudimakna saruk yabiyu haina apil tawke.
It is indeed a matter of great pride and a privilege for me to be present here for this monumental event of unveiling ceremony of trophies for the 131st edition of the Durand Cup 2022. At our outset, I wish to thank the Indian Army and specifically Lieutenant General R.P. Kalita, Army Commander Lieutenant General KK Repsol, Chief of Staff and the GOC Red Shield Division for bringing this iconic tournament to our football passionate state of Manipur. I am very proud of it, and for me it is the happiest day to be with you here because I did participate in this very particular tournament in 1981, and I to give privilege, to give advantage to expose our Manipuris. Sports person as well as the Manipur state. My best wishes to the participating team, which will be enthralling us with outstanding football. That's it. Thank you.